Assalamu alaikum, I'm Hussein Baba. Today I'm at the Gold Coast Mosque getting ready to cook chicken curry with potato. As you know, this is the 4th year we are participating in providing year-end meals for the homeless members, the needy members, and the families with children who need assistance. And we're getting ready to cook for 1,000 members. So it is 7 o'clock in the morning now, and I got my team ready, and we have to start cooking early because we have to deliver before 11 o'clock this morning because the lunch starts from 11. So therefore, I need to start cooking now together with my team. So come along, watch our team here. We're going to use this kitchen. This is the kitchen. This kitchen belongs to the mosque because it's a commercial kitchen. They have big pots, so it's more convenient to cook for 1,000 people. All right, follow me. Come on. All right, we are inside the kitchen now. And as I mentioned, we are cooking for 1,000 members. So here we go. We have all this chicken. There are about 50 kilos of chicken, boneless chicken, breast and thigh. Okay, and then here, of course, come here. These are the spices. Come on over here. We got the ginger and garlic, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and what's this powder? Cumin powder, right? Come on over. We got onions, tomatoes, and potatoes, right? Here, okay. All right. You know, I can't do on my own. As previous years, I always have assistants to work with me. And it's the same old team because why? They do a wonderful job. All right, let me introduce the team. Here we go. We got Jameel here. You don't know Jameel? Kareem, of course, the cameraman. But this time he had to reverse the role. And next to her, we have Evelyn. Next to him is Evelyn and Arini. All right? So as you know, they're very familiar faces. They are members and volunteers. They provide meals throughout the year to the homeless members in our community. So I really thank you all for your support. Without your support, we can't do it. Thank you so much. So we don't have much time left. Let's start cooking. All right? So you guys in charge. You in charge of the chicken, potato, and onions and peeling and slicing. All right? Okay, we see shortly. But I like to introduce the cameraman. Cameraman, can you turn around? Now this is the cameraman here. You have a smile? This is the cameraman. Okay, for today. Okay, now we have washed the chicken breast and the chicken thigh, cut into pieces. Come have a look. Here, look. Look at that. How these are the pieces. We have cut into small pieces. All right. Okay, that's all the chicken. That's about 50 kilos of chicken. Now here we have all the cut onions, all the spices, and the potato. More being cut there. See, tomato and potato. All right, because we need to save time. We need to save time. So I have to start cooking the chicken first, then I'll add the potato later on. All right? Okay. We start cooking now. First thing first, we have to pour the oil. Right? We have to wait for the oil to get warm, then I'll add the garlic and ginger. It's a bit warm now, so I'm going to add the garlic and ginger. Come have a look, cameraman, come on. Look at the sizzling sound, beautiful. Stir it. See what it is? I can't use a small, I need a big longer one. Here, that's how it goes. Jameel, can you come and give us a hand? Stir it for me, please. Stir it. All right, while I am stirring, I'm going to add the onions. Look. All right, look at that beautiful onion. Look. The onion will give a good aroma. Beautiful. How do you find it? Can you stir it? Okay. All right. Here you go. I can smell the beautiful aroma. I'm just waiting for it to turn a slightly gold, right? Not golden brown, gold. Now maybe I'll take it over. This is how you do it. You know, you have to be fast. Mix it. Jameel, I want you to put some yellow powder. While I'm stirring, just spread it. Come. Okay. Yeah, that's enough. A bit of exercise, but it's good. Now come, cameraman, have a look inside here. Okay. That's what we happen. Look at that. All right. We spread it out. We just spread it out. Okay. Now goes the chicken. All right. Give me the chicken, please. Put one by one. Come on. Yes. Bring the next one, please. Look at that. Look at the. Yeah. Beautiful. All right. So we'll gradually put all the 50 kilo of chicken into this. Okay. All right. So this is the last one. The 50 kilo of chicken. Last one. Okay. Done. Okay. Now spread it out. Okay. Beautiful. Look at that. So what we do now, mix with the onions and oil, and we start putting the masalas. Okay. First one got the cumin powder. Look, you spread it. You don't put in one spot. You spread it. Okay. All right. Here we have the coriander. Look at that. Put all the corianders. Okay, and then a bit of yellow powder. Yeah, a bit more of the turmeric powder. Look. All right, good. Tomato on the top. So just spread it out. So very finely chopped tomatoes. Look at that, beautiful. You spread it out. Okay, we spread it out. We don't put the salt now. I always add the salt at the last minute, right? So now we don't. Now what we're going to do is let it cook on its own for the next 10 minutes, okay? And they're small pieces of chicken, they cook much faster. So let it cook on its own, and then after 10 minutes we'll come back and we'll add the potato. All right, it's been cooking for the last 5 to 7 minutes. I just want to open and see what's happening. Okay, can you help me to uncover, please? Remove the lid. Oh my goodness, come on over. Wow, look at that, beautiful. Cooking, beautiful. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's cooking. So we'll cook for another 10 to 15 minutes, and we'll add the potato, right? Okay, now let it cook on its own in a low heat. Okay, now it's been cooking for a while. You see, I am working fast as possible because I need to leave this place by 10:30. So now it's about 8:30. So because I need to get to Labrador School, they'll start the lunch at 11 o'clock. So I'll have to be there by 10:30. I have to leave here by 10 o'clock. So I just got 1.5 hours to cook it and pack it into boxes and take it over. All right, Kareem, can you open the cover for me, please? Oh man, it's cooking well. Very good. All right, beautiful. All right, then what we do, we're going to add the potatoes. Can you bring the potatoes? Do you want to put it? Okay. Spread it out. Okay, with the others. I'm not going to mix it. I'm just going to put on top of it. Right, and spread it out. Look, come. It's all spread out now. So the potato will cook from the steam. The steam will come and cook, and later on I will mix them together. Cover it now and leave it to cook with the potato and the chicken together. All right. Thank you. All right. It's been now 15 minutes. So let me open and have a look. I'm going to mix the potato with the chicken. Come on, let's have a look. Open it up, please. Oh, come on. Wow, look at that. Oh, right here. Okay, come closer. Okay, now time to add the salt. So when you add the salt, spread it. I want to put other spices. For example, curry leaf, cloves, cinnamon, chili powder. But you see, I feel the members may not be able to, agree with those spices. So that's why I simply stick with turmeric powder, cumin powder, and coriander powder. See, that is good. So okay. Now let me stir it and see how that feels. You need a lot of strength for the mashallah. Okay. Kareem, can you help me to stir it, please?
Of course.
Okay, thank you, please. Okay, Kareem, let Jameel do some. Jameel, can you help, please? Okay, Jameel. Okay. Okay, let me taste it now. I need to taste the food. Need a bit of salt. Well, it has been cooking for the last half an hour, so now I'm going to check it. Come on, Kareem, open it up. Let's have a look. Oh, come on, cameraman, come. Oh, it's cooking. Oh my goodness. All right, I can see it's really cooked. I think we can turn it off now. Okay, let's turn it off. Is it this way? Beautiful. So, Bismillah. We're going to start the first one. Come here, have a look. Yeah. Oh, my finger cannot handle it. Okay, that's the first one, all done. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Luke. Thank you. That's what we want here. Brother. All right. Hey, Cam, how are you? Hey, how are you? Hey, sorry, I'm a bit late today. How are you?